want to feel younger, look good, feel good, try the sun salutation. Hey everybody, today we're going to do the sun salutation. And of course, before you start any yoga sequence or yoga practice, you want to ground yourself. And the easiest, best way to do that is by taking a few deep breaths. So just stand with your knees slightly loose, your shoulders relaxed, and just breathe in deeply. Fill your belly, then your mid-chest, upper chest, raise your shoulders a bit, get a full intake of air. Hold for a few seconds and slowly out. And we'll do that 2 more times. Inhale deeply. And follow the air in, hold, and exhale slowly. And as you do that, you're going to feel a wave of relaxation coming over you. Inhale again, deeply, belly out. Expand like the rays of the sun. And then out slowly. And when you start to feel yourself calming, that's when you're ready. It's like when you're cooking. It's not ready till it's ready. So you have to wait till it's ready. Sun salutation is very easy. It's a sequence of 9 postures and a couple of repeated postures at the end. That makes a total of 12. Sun salutation starts with Namaste. Namaste mudra. The light in me bows to the light in you. So here we go. The first posture, a light back bend, a forward bend, Uttanasana, one leg back, looking up, plank, knees down. This is the missing posture. It's prostrating to the sun. Extended child pose. And now come to 8 points on the ground. Your feet, your knees, 2 hands, chest and chin. And then arch upwards, looking upwards. Up dog, down dog, left leg forward lunge, step into a forward bend, back bend, and you don't have to go too far back. You want to go back a little bit and lift up towards your hands, squeeze your bum, and come back to Namaste Mudra. And now we'll do the other side. Back bend, forward bend, right leg back this time. Child pose, 8 points on the ground, up dog, down dog, right leg forward. You can look forward or up in the lunge position. Forward bend, light back bend, and back in front of your heart. So let's go through the whole sequence one more time. Back bend, forward bend, lunge, plank, extended child, which is the missing pose. 8 points on the ground. Up dog, looking up. Down dog, left leg forward. And the slight back bend, back to Namaste, and we continue right through. Forward bend. Right leg back, left leg back into a plank, knees down, extended child pose, 8 points on the ground, up dog, down dog, right leg forward, Uttanasana or a forward bend, and a slight back bend lifting and back in front of your heart. That is the sun salutation. Now, we just did it straight there to get the postures right. This would be the next step, is to try to get it with the breathing. There you have to be a little more concentrated and focus your movements with your breath, which brings the mind together and starts to focus the whole apparatus. A precursor to meditation. Starting with Namaste Mudra. Once again, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, and exhale. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. The speed I went at was comfortable for me, but you might like it a little slower, a little quicker. Whatever your natural breathing rhythm is, that's what you want to work with. Don't force anything, take it easy. And I'm sure if you practiced it with me, you're going to see the benefits of working with your breath. Try to build up to 3 full sequences. And once you're comfortable with that, get to 5. Now when you get into the benefits of the sun salutation, there's a lot to talk about. It has effects on your pranic field, on your physical body, on your mental attitude, your emotional state, everything. I'm sure you can feel that your heartbeat was raised and your respiratory activity was raised. So as soon as those things happen together, it sends more blood into the lungs and more oxygen comes in. So now you're going to start to oxygenate the microcirculatory system and remove the metabolic waste from there. You've toned your organs. It's helped to drain your lymphatic system. You've exercised your whole body, flexed your spine, improved your tendon and muscle strength, balancing Ida and Pingala, balancing the hemispheres of the brain. It'll help to open your eyes up to a greater cosmic connection. You just have to do it a couple of times in a row and you'll feel there is some incredible effects with this. Like I said, it's just endless amount of benefits. It's all benefits. There's nothing but benefits. So there's a little bit more to the sun salutation. Actually, there's a lot more to the sun salutation. But we're going to do that in another video. Also, I forgot to say, when you start the sun salutation, it's all about a little bit of grounding first. And when you end the sun salutation, same thing, go back to grounding and pay attention to how you feel. Like I said, the sun salutation is a complete yoga system. And when a few other little exercises are added in with it, understanding a few mudras and a few ways to direct your energy, the sun salutation becomes extremely powerful. Thanks a lot for coming by. I really appreciate it. And I'm really happy to be able to share with everyone out there the things that I have learned about yoga along this amazing journey. So stay strong and positive, and we'll see you next time.